making $400,000 per month with no-code tools. They are literally building money printing machines. Here are 8 free tools to start printing money on the internet. Gumroad. Start your own online store for literally $0. Create a landing page. Promote your product and get paid. Rinse and repeat. Gumroad.com. Notion. Manage your entire life or business for $0. Manage everything in one place. Turn your workspace into a template. Sell your template and get paid consistently. Notion.so. Hemingway App. Write copy that sells for $0. 1. Don't speak English. No problem. 2. Insert any text into the app to fix it. 3. Get grammatical suggestions for better copy. HemingwayApp.com. Canva. Create content, logos and visuals for $0. The most underrated tool out there. Create free account and create any graphic. Use graphics to grow audience or revenue and repeat. Canva.com. Producthunt. Launch your product and get free traffic for $0. 1. Launch your product on Producthunt. 2. Watch thousands of people visit your offer. 3. Convert the visitors, get paid and relaunch later again. Producthunt.com. Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn or TikTok. Build an audience of dedicated followers for $0. Start building an audience because attention equals $2. Build an audience of superfans and promote your offer. 3. Learn marketing, make friends and get paid. You already know the links. Review. Start sending a newsletter for just $0. 1. Write a newsletter to your followers easily. 2. Send out to unlimited emails all at once. 3. Newsletters are cash printing machines. GetReview.co. Calendly. Sell your time with Calendly for $0. Set up a calendar according to your schedule. Send your calendar link to prospects for discovery call. Sell your knowledge and close the prospect on call. Calendly.com.